Our next kick is a side kick. Now, this actually really works well with a chair for balance. All you need to do is grab a chair, pick your knee up to basic position of a snap kick again, and turn your foot about 90 degrees and pull your toes towards your face. And from here, your heel is pointing towards your target. So if I extend it out, look like this. Now do this for 10 repetitions of slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and after 10, do 10 repetitions fast. 2, 3, 4, and 10. Now we're moving on with the side kick at level 2. Now for this one, we actually want to start sideways, so it's easier for you to lift up your leg. So in this position, bring your knee up, almost like doing a snap kick towards where you're facing. Turn your head to the side and lift your leg about in the chamber position. And we'll do this for about 10 repetitions for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after 10 repetitions, we'll do it for 10 count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Now, the next technique we'll be doing will be the back kick. Now, we're going to need the chair again for balance. Now, I want you to face the chair directly. Take 2 of your hands, grab the chair, and we're going to kick with our left leg, so we're going to be looking to our left side. All you need to do is bring your knee up almost close to the chair. Make sure to point your toes towards your knee. And when you extend it out, look towards your heel. And you come back. We'll do this for 10 repetitions of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, we'll do it for 10 repetitions of fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Back in for level 2. All you need to do is, again, you want to turn side. I'm going to turn here a bit sideways so you can see me. From here, all you need to do is bring your knee up. Now, we don't have a chair anymore to balance ourselves, so we're going to use our own arms to be able to balance. As you kick with your left leg, you will punch your left arm at the same time in the opposite direction. Watch. Now, at times, it's going to be very difficult to balance, so if you need to, you may slightly drop the tip of your toe on the floor and get back to it again. Now, do this technique for about 10 repetitions total, slowly. And after you have that, you can do it fast.